Hello, welcome to learn about the Gaokeview Interactive flat panel. The flat panel adopts the aluminum frame with 65-inch size and the black color. So now let's enter into the Android system. And here is our flat panel's three main functions: the whiteboard function, the application, and the document. And we can use our USB disk insert here, and here we can open our USB disk, and we can open the document here. Also, we can find the local pictures and the local documents here. Here is the application. We can download some applications by our browser. And now let's enter into the whiteboard function. This is the flat panel's whiteboard function. Here we can make the background setting. We can select the green color, the blue color. Also, we can select a soccer background. And here is the thin pen and the thick pen. And we can select the single touch and multi-touch. This is multi-touch, and here is the single touch. And here we can import a picture. Also, we can draw a circle. And this is the screen selection. We can select the 2-split screen and the 3-split screen. And we can write on the whiteboard at the same time. As we can see, there are two shortcuts on the side. And here is the setting function. We can see here is the Wi-Fi, Ethernet, hotspot. And here is the date setting and the language selection. There are 22 languages that we can select. And here is the system setting and the applications. Also, here is the remote lock, the touch lock, keypad lock, and the gesture switch function. Here is the power setting. And we can see the Android system data about the flat panel here. And here is the screen resolution is 4K and the Android 8.0. Okay, let's go ahead. Here is the source channel, and we can enter into the OPS or HDMI and the VGA. And here is image mode. have is the highlight function. It is the auto backlight. The auto backlight can adapt its backlight by the environment. And here is some small functions from the flat panel. Here is the screenshot. And the screen capture picture can save in the logo. And here is the spotlight. And here we can make any annotations on the panel. Also, we can clean it, and we can select the color here. And after we finish the annotation, we can save it in the local, or we can share. We can share the QR code and by our mobile phone. Okay, now let's make a short presentation for the function of screen mirror. And this is our screen mirror function. The Android system mobile phone, we can use the QR code and make sure our mobile phone and the flat panel under the same Wi-Fi. And here we have downloaded the transcreen software. Yes, we have finished the screen share. Also, we can make the annotation on the screen. And here is the Apple mobile phone. We can, the flat panel also supports the screen share for the Apple. And the flat panel can support 2 screens. And here is the computer screen share. We need to download a transcreen. We need to input by the PC browser, and this is the website. And when we finish the download, we need to select the same Wi-Fi between our computer and the flat panel. And here we have finished the screen share. Okay, now let's enter into the Windows system. As you can see, this is the Windows system. Also, we can make some annotations on the screen. And we can open some applications and some software. And here we can open a video. And under the video, we can make some annotations. Also, we can input a picture. Okay, it is our short introduction of our new mode flat panel. And thanks for listening.